In the back of Volvo XC40 you will find two hooks near the roof. There is one on the right side and there is one more on the left side. And also you will find smaller hooks on the B pillars, one on the right and one on the left. These can be used to hang your clothing, like your coat or your suit, like this. It's not gonna be in the way and it can dry in case if it's raining. This is how this one works, and the idea will be similar on the other side. The hooks near the roof can be removed. You can turn them counterclockwise and pull them out. And actually, guys, we have two more slots in the back, right here. So you can insert this hook, turn it. Now you can hang your coat in the back of the XC40. And this way it will be out of your way completely. And look at this, it's very conveniently positioned in the back of the vehicle. Again, if it's raining, it will go down on the mat, and same can be done on this side. We have already transferred the second hook in here, and you can have a couple of coats hanging like this. These slots in the back also can be used to attach the cargo net, which will prevent the luggage from getting inside the vehicle when you brake. But we'll try to make a separate video about this accessory. It's a very convenient feature. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.